I wanted a fast, easy solution to mount my BOYA wireless microphone receiver next to my Android phone on this tripod. You know, this thing, it comes with a belt clip and no real other mounting method. If you take the belt clip off, you can mount that directly to a 1/4-inch bolt, like a tripod mount, but that's being used by my phone mount here. Yeah, this BOYA receiver just picks up the sound from the transmitter, which is on my belt here, and gets it to the device you plug it into. But it needs to be here on the device. They don't provide any way to do that. But I had an idea. Quick, simple. I found this piece of scrap aluminum. It's already got a hole in it. I probably need to enlarge that hole. But I thought if I enlarge that hole, be able to clamp that between my mount for my phone and the base of the tripod. That creates a bar that I could then clip this receiver onto. I like having this receiver kind of pointed that way. I found out that this thing is somewhat directional, even though they say that it's not. It tends to be. The antenna is in the bottom of this thing, and it seems to work better if I point it at my transmitter. For this to be firm on here, I think what I want to do is cut a little hole, probably a little rectangular hole that matches the jaw of this clamp, so that that will firmly clamp in there and not have a tendency to want to just slide off and come apart. So we'll see how that works. Quick, simple, dirty solution, but hey, sometimes the simple solutions are the best ones. So the first thing I've done here on this little piece of bar, see, will that focus? Just to focus, there we go. You see the hole in the bottom. I'm going to enlarge that hole to a 1/4 inch. That'll fit the tripod's mounting screw. And then up here you'll see I scratched a little rectangular box. That's the size of the jaw on this mounting clip. See those jaw teeth? I want those to fit in that hole and then come together. That will prevent this clip from sliding off if I do that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is drill a little tiny hole in each corner of my little rectangular square here. Hopefully that'll focus on that and show you what I did. I punched a little divot in each corner. That'll help keep the drill bit centered in that little hole. All right. Holding it in vice grips, of course. Nice firm hold. And we just drill a little hole through each corner. This is aluminum. It's soft, so it drills very easily. There we go. There. Does that show up? Good. First step's done. That's simple. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this little bar that I have drilled the holes in the corners of my little square. I'm going to clamp it in my vise, and the jaws of the vise are going to line right up with my line, my scratch mark that joins those two holes. That becomes my cut line. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way with a cold chisel. I freshly ground the end of this, so I've got a pretty nice acute angle on here. And what we're going to do is tap it with a hammer right along that line, and we're going to shear that aluminum. Make sure this is firmly clamped. Yeah, it's a noisy process, isn't it? but look at that. It's shearing in there just fine. The aluminum is so soft. All right, I think I've got it there. Yeah. Okay. See? It's pretty rough cut, which is fine. The aluminum's soft. We're going to take a little file and smooth that all out. But that's good. That's exactly what I want. All right, I'm going to work my way around the square. You can see how the aluminum's getting bent a little bit. That's okay too. I said earlier, I'm after a fast, easy solution. There we go. Not bad, huh? I'll take a file, I'll clean up those edges because they're kind of sharp. I'm going to round these corners too and soften the edges and all this. I don't want anything sharp on here. Want to be safe. All right, let's see if I can get this put together here. I think I want this. Let's see, how do I get this off? Here we go, loosen that. I think I want this over on the left-hand side of my camera mount, phone mount. Put that right through there. That looks like that's pretty good. Yeah. All right. Yeah, clamped on there really well. All right, let's see. Here's the belt clip. I had removed it from the device to make sure I got everything working right without it. Yeah. Clips in there. All right, okay. So I'm going to put it on the device. Let's see how this works. I'm actually using it for sound right now, so hopefully I'm not creating a bunch of interference. I have it plugged into the recording on my my cell phone. So let's see how this works. Put this back on the mount here, like that. Put the clip back on this little baby. See, it slides in here. From which side? See, it slides in from that side. Like that. We clip it on there. Yeah, there we go. That's good. I like it. It's gonna work. Doesn't dangle all over the place. I can plug in my little headphones for monitoring sound. Make sure my sound's still working. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Let's see. Test, test. Yeah, it's all working. Okay, this is cool. I'm ready to roll with my new BOYA receiver and microphone setup. See you later.